My name is Connie, and I had upper implants with Dr. Kremer. Well, I was involved in a major RV accident, and in that accident, I lost all my uppers. Well, I had broken arm and a broken knee, and of course they were on opposite sides, so it made life even more difficult. But those things heal, they grow back. Your teeth do not. It's not a good look without teeth. And it's difficult. I mean, so many foods you can't eat anymore. And it's just life without teeth is not good.
So Connie, she had just an upper prosthetic or removable partial denture. So she had a big segment of her mouth that was missing teeth, and then she had a failing bridge in another segment. So she was going to be missing almost all of her upper. And so we talked about whether we were to do some selective implants or rebuild the whole thing. And it was actually going to be less expensive and a better result for us to rebuild an upper fixed set of teeth.
The whole staff is really good. From the moment you walk in and you're greeted, everyone is there to help you. Mainly his expertise, because there's not that many that do the implants, and especially a full upper implant. And you never know if you even qualify. You have to have some bone to work with, and it all worked out beautifully. So after the procedure, I felt wonderful. I really love corn on the cob, and I was not able to eat that at all. But now I can eat almost anything. Definitely eating better. And of course, smiling is always something that we all enjoy doing. So smiling makes a world of difference.
I was blown away with her on the 1 week post-op. She came in at 1 week. There was no swelling, no bruising, and you couldn't tell that she had a procedure a week before. I mean, it was just remarkable. So, and since then, we've just been building better and better to get a result that is just her smile, her pronunciation, everything is just right where we want it to be.